Welcome to Stories of the Prophets, short, powerful lessons from the lives of Allah's messengers. Today's story, the creation of Adam, peace be upon him. In the beginning, before humans walked the earth, Allah said to the angels, "Indeed, I will place upon the earth a Khalifa, a successor." Surah Al-Baqarah 230. The angels asked, "Will you place upon it one who causes corruption and sheds blood while we glorify you and praise you?" Allah replied, "Indeed, I know that which you do not know." So Allah created Adam, peace be upon him, from clay, shaping him with his hands and breathing into him from his spirit. Adam was the first human, the first prophet, and honored above creation. Then Allah commanded the angels, prostrate to Adam, and all the angels bowed, except Iblis. He refused out of arrogance, saying, "I am better than him. You created me from fire and him from clay." Surah Al-Araf 7:12. Because of this pride, Iblis was expelled from paradise and he became a sworn enemy to Adam and his descendants. Today's lesson. This story reminds us of our noble origin and purpose. Allah chose us to be His Khalifa on earth, but it also teaches the danger of pride. Iblis wasn't denied because of disbelief, but because of arrogance. So ask yourself, are we living up to the honor of being children of Adam, or are we falling into the trap of Iblis? If you found this beneficial, like, share, and subscribe for more 5-minute episodes from the stories of the prophets. Next episode, why Iblis became Shaitan. Until then, stay guided, stay inspired.